How to create an Apple ID. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step that how you can create an Apple ID. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First thing you need to do is to go and open any browser on your device. Once you open the browser, all you need to do is to enter appleid.apple.com. You need to search this in the search bar, or you can go directly into that link. So once I search it, I will find this link here, and you need to tap on that link. So once you tap on the link, it will bring you to this website, and here all you need to do is to tap on the drop down arrow. Once you tap on that, here you will find the option create your Apple account. All you need to do is to tap on that. Once you tap on that, it will bring you to this page where you need to enter your first name, last name, and then select a country and region. So guys, after entering the first name, last name, and the country and region, all you need to do is to enter your date of birth. First select the date, then select the month, and then the year. After selecting that, the next thing you need to do is to enter your email address here, which I will enter here. The next thing you need to do is to choose a password. So the password should be at least 8 character, and there should be at least one number, one uppercase, one lowercase, and there should be a special character. So you need to follow all the instruction and create a password, and then you need to enter the password again to confirm it. So guys, once you choose a password and you confirm the password, the next thing you need to do is to enter the country code here first, and then you need to enter the phone number. So guys, once you enter the phone number, they say enter a phone number where you can receive a verification code via text message for a phone call when signing in. So you can either select a phone call or you can select a text message. Here, they will send you about announcement and apps, music, TV, and more. If you don't want to receive any emails, you can disable that one. The last step is that you should enter this code, which you can see, and type in here. So guys, once you enter the code here, all you need to do is to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they will send an email to your email address, and you need to find a code there, and you need to enter it here. So guys, I get the code in my email. All I need to do is to paste it here, and then I will tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, now you will receive a code on your mobile phone, and all you need to do is to copy that one, paste it here, and you need to tap on continue. So guys, this is it. As you can see, now my account has been created. If you see here, there is a sign out option, and this is your email, password, and anything that if you want to change it, you can do the changing here. If I tap on the drop down option, as you can see now, I see more options here. So that means the account has been created. So guys, this is all it takes to create your Apple ID. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.